Now here let's start the assembly of wooden toy plane. So let's open file, new, and select here assembly. Let's say OK. Once you select OK, you will enter in SolidWorks assembly interface. Now from here we will browse our first part. Now here this is our, just make large icon so that you will get the proper view. First part we will choose fuse leg or the main body of plane. First part always by default fixed, so we will choose first part. Open. Once you select open, see you have a, you can place anywhere, but we want to fix in origin point. So how you will fix in origin point? Simply you have to show the origin point. So see there is a one eye option, just drop down and here you will find one option, view origin. Okay, now you will get the origin in both the parts. This is the, see if you move cursor near to origin, it will going to attach. See, click. Now if we saw, see this is the right view, so this is fixed in origin point, but don't want to see the origin, so simply unchecked, plain white, insert component, browse. Now this next two part we will use these two. Select both the parts, vertical, horizontal, tail, because we will fix here. Okay, so this is the horizontal, this is the vertical, so we will fix first vertical. Move component, rotate component, we will fix like this. Okay, mat. Now let me choose here this circle and this face. Now see, it's concentric relation. Okay, that's fine. Now you can easily move here and there. So here we will create one more important relation, front plane. Now see, this is the front plane of this mat and fuse leg body. Let's say which plane going to mat with. Hold shift key or control key, better shift key, sorry, control key, and click here mat or simply select mat. Now see, it's in one line, in one plane. See, okay. Now here we need to do one more relation. Fuse leg, top plane, right plane. Okay, okay, this is front plane and previously we choose top plane. Okay, previously front plane of fuse leg and hold shift key, sorry, control key, select both the planes. Now see, we selected top and right plane of both the parts, click mat. Now see, it is moved in center point, coincident relation. Okay, now this is fixed, it will not move. Now let me tilt or rotate this part. Now let me drop down this menu, close. Okay, mat, I'll choose this face and this face, coincide relation. Okay, and select this surface or edge, curve, this concentric relation, because both are the centric position. Now this is moving up and down, so here also we need to apply the same rule. Horizontal, which plane? Right plane, that's it. Top plane, hold control key, top plane. Now we selected both the top plane and right plane, mat. Okay, even though we had another option also, but this is better option. Now see, this thing's fixed properly. Let's move for the next part. Now here we will choose the next part, this two upper and lower wing. This is the lower, this is the upper. First rotate, keep like this. Like this corner should be out, and this one also should be like this. Mat, I'll choose this face and inside this face. Here relation we will choose coincident. Let me choose this circle, this circle. Concentric relation. If you move this one, let me choose this one, and here you will get the option this one, concentric. Okay, now it is fixed in proper position. And this one actually we need to use some more material to fix this one. Insert component. Now here we will use stud 6x12, and we will fix it here. Hold shift key and click and drag and create one more. Mat, circular face, undo because it is going to take different position. Now again try. Okay, but it is difficult. Right click, hide component, drag it. Now again click, show component. That's fine. Mat, this hole. Okay, now let me choose this inside edge and this edge. Clear. Choose coincident. Forget those relation, we will create a new relation. Face to face. Oh sorry, this was not the face, that's why it's not going to take. Okay, this is inside face, this is outside face. Now see, it's going to fix in the hole. Okay, that's it. Insert component, browse, and the next part we will select landing gear. Let me choose mat. I'll choose this hole and this hole. Circular concentric relation, this hole and this second hole of this concentric relation. Now select inside wall and this. Okay, coincident relation. Now see, it is fixed on the proper place. Now let's fix bottom all the things, then we will come upside. Now here I'll choose main axle, then control key, wheel axle and wheel. Open. Okay, let's try one important relation. select this hole and this main axle, concentric relation. Okay, now drop down the menu, choose wheel, no, the axle, drop down the menu of axle and landing gear, and let's say, okay, the right plane of landing gear. If you move your hold control key and front plane of main axle, click mat. See, is going to coincide in the center position. See, select this hole and this hole, coincide. This face and this face, coincide. Hole, and here select reverse flip mat. Okay, select this face and the face of axle, wheel axle. Okay, now the one side is fixed. Now hold control key, click wheel and drag, and the same thing we will drag. Mat, insert, select circle hole, wheel hole and this hole. Oh sorry, we selected the hole and this hole, concentric relation. This face, tilt, this face, coincident relation. This hole and this hole. It's concentric relation, but make it reverse. Okay, and this hole, coincident relation. So see, we fixed here our wheel. See, now insert component, pilot, mat. Simply choose this corner and this corner. It is going to fixed here, coincident relation. Okay, now it is rotate in, but it will not move. Insert component, browse, and what's, let's say what, okay, let's fix vertical crossbar and select this stud, control key, rotate component. We will keep like this because this upper panel should be little this side. Okay, and make it. Now hold control key and create multiple number of copies. Just click and drag, control key, click and drag, because this one piece we need for this side. Okay, let's fix this one. Mat, click this hole, undo the procedure and take it up. Now choose. Okay, because if hidden inside, difficult to take the relation. Select the face and this face, go inside. select inside face and this side face, and simply make reverse. Oh sorry, this face, and choose here flip mat. Okay, that's fine. Bottom whole surface, this surface, coincident relation. In the same way you have to finish all the things. Okay, now let's find where this part gone. So okay, so what you have to do, you have to right click, change transparency. Now see this part hidden inside, so drag it. Now click uncheck change transparency, matte. I'll choose this hole and this one, and here simply I'll choose flip matte alignment. Okay, now it's time to move. So simply go to matte, this hole and this one, concentric relation. I'll choose this one and this hole, coincident. Okay, now let me drag up, and any one hole we have to fix. Select this bottom face of the hole and bottom of this pin or stud, coincident relation. Now this is fixed here, it will not move. Now simply the same thing we have to do for this. Now simply what we will do, we will delete this stud and we will mirror this one. So what we will choose, let me choose the plane for this lower, or all drawing is already in mid plane, so even though you can choose your plane, but the good decision to mirror against the plane of lower. So right plane of lower wing, drop down the menu and here you will find mirror component. Now let me choose 1 2 3, here plane already selected. Now right click, hide. Now this all the body we selected, just click here next. Now once you click next you will see the preview. Okay, now just right click on the lower and click show component. See, this is mirror. Now let's try matte. And here let me choose this hole, concentric relation. Okay, now I'll choose the second hole and second pin, concentric relation. Now let me comes to this hole and this pin, a stud, concentric relation. This one and this one, concentric relation. Okay, now select the top face and this face, coincide. See, okay, now let's try to bring the other parts for the plane. Let me hide this all, insert component, browse, and here few parts are balanced like motor, control keys, propeller, holder. Open. Now let's choose. Now I'll select this circle inside and this, make it reverse. Okay, I'll select the outer face and the outer face for this. Now you will see the motor is going to fix inside. Coincident relation, select the inside circle and the circle of propeller. Concentric relation, okay, just pull, okay, outer surface of motor and inner surface of propeller. Now it's going to fix coincident relation, okay. Now this one holder and this hole, reverse mat, concentric relation, this face, okay. Now our propeller is ready, see. Now we bring all the parts, nothing balance here more. So we will save as toy plane assembly. Right click, motion manager, study motion. Even though you can allow some motion here, properties, motion properties, let's say 50 revolution per second. Let me drag up to 10 second. Keep condition motion. Now here I'll choose motor, select this one. Now this face selected now let's keep revolution 10 revolution per minute, okay, and let's click here calculate. Once you select calculate, it will calculate from start to end, and it will take few seconds depend upon your computer processor. So let's wait and see how it's going to rotate. This is the simple tutorial how we create for the beginners wooden toy assembly. I hope you like it. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Now the assembly finished. Just calculate it and you will see how it's going to rotate, see. So this is the simple tutorial. Don't forget to share and like our video. Thanks for watching.